Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect a 4x4 keypad to an Arduino board. Here I have my Arduino UNO and this is my 4x4 keypad. Connect row pin 1 to digital pin 9. Connect row pin 2 to digital pin 8. Connect row pin 3 to digital pin 7. Connect row pin 4 to digital pin 6 of Arduino. And this is the end of the row pins. I will proceed to the column pins. Connect column pin 1 to pin 5. Connect column pin 2 to digital pin 4. Connect column pin 3 to digital pin 3. Then connect column pin 4 to digital pin 2. Now I will change the color to differentiate between the row pins and the column pins. Here the blue ones are the column pins and the green ones are the row pins. Here is a code, few lines of code that you can easily understand. Any key that I press from here will be printed on the serial monitor and you will see it now. Now I press 1, I go to 2, 3. You can do it as many times as you want. Guys, this was a simple way on how to connect a 4x4 keypad to an Arduino board. If you find it difficult interfacing, be sure to reach me and I'll help you. Bye for now. If you find this useful, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel.